Hi, good day everyone. Today we're gonna be setting up a Roman profile. Um, what Roman profiles is basically is it allows users to join a Windows Server domain to log into any computer on the network and access the documents and have a consistent desktop experience. What it is basically, um, if you're using one computer and you save your documents or whatever, you could go over to another computer in the same domain on the network. You log in there and you get back your files and desktop however you left it. All right. So we're gonna set this up using server right now. Okay. So let me just log in here. All right. Put in my password. All right. So I've logged into server and we're just gonna go into start, administrative tools, active directory users on computers. Alright, let's wait for that to open up. Okay, once we've got into there now, we're gonna go into users. We're gonna right click, go on new, and users. Alright, so we're just gonna enter in some information here for the user. Gonna put the username as Robert, last name McDowell. Alright, and their login name, I'm gonna put it as R McDowell. Alright, we're gonna click on next. We're gonna take off the user must change password and we're just gonna put in a password for the user. Alright, so alright, gonna click on next here and finish. Okay, so now that we've done that, what we want to do is go into start. We're gonna go into my computer, gonna right click, sorry, we're gonna go into local disk, right click, new folder, alright, and we're gonna name this profile, this folder user profile. Alright, gonna right click, we're gonna go on share. And I'm gonna go on everyone, add, change it from reader to co-owner, and click share. Alright, I click done here now. Alright, so what you want to do now, gonna right click, gonna go back into properties, we're gonna go into sharing, and we're gonna copy this off, copy off your network path. Alright, and we go back into active directories, gonna right click on the user you just created, you're gonna go into properties, we're gonna go into profile, and in profile path we're gonna paste what we just copied, gonna put up slash percent username percent, and we're gonna click apply. Alright, so you'll see it come up here, R McDowell, click OK. Alright, you could just minimize this. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go into Windows, I'll go into Vista. Alright, gonna go into Vista and we're gonna log in as that user. Alright, so what you wanna do is you wanna log off if you have it logged in already. just switch the user. Anyway, yeah, let's log in, and we're gonna log in not as the administrator. We're gonna switch users, go into other user, and I'm gonna type in our McDowell. This is what I just created, and type in the password. So here we go, we've logged in. What we want to do now is we're going to show that this is a Roman profile, that it actually works. So I'm going to just create a new folder here, and I'm going to create a text document. Shucks. Delete that. Oh, I did that. New text documents. We're gonna name it test. Checking to see if this roaming profile works. Alright, file, save. Alright, we're gonna do one more thing now. We're just gonna change the wallpaper. Alright. Alright. So I've changed the wallpaper here. We're just gonna log off of this. Log off, and we're gonna go into our Windows 7 computer. Alright. We're gonna log off here too. And we're going to log in as our McDowell, so we're gonna switch the user. Switch user. McDowell, and put in our password. Alright. So here we go. Well, we don't have the wallpaper, but as you can see here, we have the test. Alright. I'm just gonna edit the test and see if it comes back up in the Vista. Alright. So I'm gonna put second part. This test. Alright, I'm gonna save this. Close this off. Log out of here. And I'm gonna go back into Vista. Let's just wait for that. Alright. Logging into Vista. Put my password. You can see there that is under our McDowell. Alright, so I'm just gonna open back the test. And here you go, second part of test. Alright. So the Roman profile works. You can also go. Alright, so now that we've done that now, I'm gonna go back into my server pad. We're gonna go into my computer, and we're gonna set up our shared folder, well, the home folder. That's right. I'm gonna just name it home folder. Alright. We're gonna right click, same as before. We're gonna go to properties, gonna change it from reader to co-owner and click on share. Click done. We're just gonna copy off our network path like we did previously. Alright, could close this off and go back into administrative tools, uses on computers. It's supposed to be open here. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go into the same one we created, robot. We're gonna go to properties, profile. We're just gonna name the letter drive, so I'm gonna put it as R. We're gonna paste the network path, and we're gonna do the same thing as before with the user percentage username percentage. And I'm just gonna apply this, and you'll see it come up here as R McDowell. Alright, that's the easy way of doing it. You're gonna click OK. Alright, and let me just put something into some folder. Alright, I'm gonna put a folder in here. Test. Gonna name it test. Alright, and then we're gonna go back into, so let's go into Windows 7. Other user. I'm gonna type in our password. Alright, that's it. Alright, so once we've done everything correctly, we could go into my computer and we should see the folder there. Yep, there we go. R McDowell, the folder we created. And open this up, and here we go. Here's the test. Alright, so that was the tutorial on roaming profiles and HomeFolder. Alright, thanks for watching.